Hello friends, my name is Kirsten Robertson and I want to share with you nature's recipe for growing your own Garden of Eden. That's using native plants to grow your own fruit trees and orchards. Today we're going to talk about muscadines. Muscadines are a native grape to the southeast United States and they are very undervalued. They are absolutely delicious and absolutely trouble-free. Muscadine vines are so trouble-free that they'll even grow up a tree. But you may want to build a trellis for them because if they grow up the tree, they can grow as high as 30 feet into the tree canopy, and it's a little hard to harvest the grapes from there. Now I tried to grow regular table grapes. I tried the hardiest varieties I could find, and for 10 years I struggled with diseases and especially fungus. Finally, I just tore my table grapes out of the ground and planted muscadines. After planting them, the only thing that I've had to do with them is prune them in the fall. It has been a wonderful experience. Now, table grapes may give you 8 pounds of grapes per vine, but you can get as much as 60 pounds of muscadines off of one vine. They are very prolific. The bunches of table grapes tend to ripen all at the same time, but muscadines ripen over a longer period of time, so you're able to go out and enjoy them for longer during the season, and you're not overwhelmed with a whole bunch of grapes. While some muscadine vines will self-pollinate, generally you'll want to plant 2 different plants to be able to pollinate and to get the most fruit possible. Now muscadines come in 2 colors, bronze and purple. These are the bronze kind. The way you can tell if a muscadine is ripe is if it is the right color. See the bronze and the green? They should be the darker bronze color, and if they come off the vine really easily. So some of the leaves on this muscadine vine are yellow, and that's because it's September, and that's when the muscadines ripen. The leaves are simply turning yellow so that they can fall and the plant can go dormant. I highly recommend adding muscadines to your home garden or orchard. They're carefree, very sweet, and while most muscadines have seeds, you can buy cultivars now that do not have seeds. Let's work with nature to grow our food. Bye for now.